Hello everyone, welcome to the science class. Today I am going to tell you revision questions of chapter 2 is matter around a sphere. Many of you asked me about questions from this chapter. I have also uploaded a document of revision questions today. So here on the board I have written few questions. More questions you can access from that document. And if you have problem in any of the question, you can message me. Now first question, name and write principle of technique that can be used to separate. These are the few examples I have written here. Anything from technique can be asked from you. So like from first one, iron from sand. So which technique you are going to use here? Magnetic separation. Now what you have to write? You have to write principle. Principle means it is based, like magnetic separation, it is based or it is for those mixture in which at least one of the components should be magnetic and other should be non-magnetic. This is principle. You can even make a simple diagram of magnet and a dish containing iron and sand, and then iron, it will get separated from sand using that magnet. Similarly, argon from air. So this technique is your fractional distillation of air, and here what you have to do is you have to make a flow chart given in your book on page number 22. I think this figure is 2.11. The flow chart says air, it is initially compressed and cooled at low temperature, so increasing pressure and decreasing temperature. So this air, it gets liquefied. Once it is liquefied, then according to boiling point, you can separate different components like nitrogen first, then argon, then oxygen, like that. Okay, so you have to write for argon. So no need to make that diagram. Simply flow chart you have to make and write one or two lines about this boiling point of argon and how you are going to separate it. Cream from milk, this is centrifugation. So you have to write principle. So the machine, it is rotated at very fast speed and the heavy particles, they will settle down and the light particles, they will remain or float on the surface. And cream gets separated from milk. A simple machine diagram you can make here. Differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So this I have already given you in notes. Most of the questions will come from notes that I told you. Some logical question may also come. Now you have to write difference between solution, sol and suspension. Sol is your colloid. So at least 3 difference with examples you have to write. Mixture and compound, this is also in your book and in your notes also. Then classify following. I will give you few examples here. You have to classify them as solution or element or compound or as homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, that depend on the question. Like suppose silicon. So silicon is an element. Then methane. Methane is CH4. It is your compound. Then coal. Coal, it is mixture of many things that can be separated by physical method. So coal is your mixture, heterogeneous mixture that you can write. Milk, it is a solution. No, it is a colloid. Then soil, it is a mixture. So depending on question, examples you have to classify. Then numericals based on concentration of solution, that will come, and simple 1 or 2 line logical questions. But you will get what I taught you in lectures. Thank you.